Hey everyone, I'm Alex, one half of the Mama Dietitian duo here at Plant-Based Juniors. Now in our Ask Me Anything Q&A around plant-based pregnancy that we did a few weeks ago, the number one question was around supplements. I know this topic can be really confusing, especially because there isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. So let's chat about nutrient needs during pregnancy and whether or not supplementation is warranted. As a quick disclaimer, though Whitney and I are dietitians, we also are not providing personalized medical advice. Therefore, it is always a good idea to discuss this topic with your doctor and care team as well. Now to us, supplements aren't this four-letter word. While we of course approach nutrition from a food-first perspective, we also know that might not work with everyone, especially when pregnant. Yeah, we've been there too. Days when you can barely keep anything down or cannot even look at a green vegetable. For times like this, we think it's especially important to use supplements as a way to fill in any nutrient gaps. A prenatal is a great way to cover all of the bases, and while I don't think the average plant-based eater needs a multivitamin, I definitely recommend adding in a prenatal vitamin during this special time. Consider your prenatal vitamin as insurance, especially for nutrients like folate, iron, zinc, selenium, and iodine. From there, you'll want to consider whether or not your prenatal contains enough vitamin B12. Yes, I know that B12 is found in fortified foods, but we actually don't recommend using these as your only B12 source. Now, due to varying daily intake and changing fortification processes, the easiest and safest way to ensure you are meeting both you and baby's B12 needs is to supplement. Studies also show that our B12 needs from supplements are often much higher than the RDA because of low absorption rates. This is why we recommend a supplement with at least 25 micrograms per day of B12. Because B12 is also water soluble and because absorption levels decrease rapidly with higher doses, it is totally okay to take a higher amount. If your prenatal does not contain enough, then you'll want to take in a separate B12 supplement. You'll also want to see if your vitamin contains enough DHA. DHA is incredibly important for both fetal brain and retinal growth. ALA, the omega-3 fatty acid that's found in plant foods, can be converted to DHA and used by mama's body. Unfortunately, this synthesized DHA does not get transferred to baby in utero or via breast milk. Now, the research also shows that vegan moms have lower amounts of DHA in their breast milk, but we also don't have any evidence that these lower amounts mean any cognitive differences. Therefore, we think the cautious approach is to supplement with a vegan algae source of DHA. Because pregnancy and breastfeeding is such a relatively short period of time, we really don't see a downside in adding in DHA supplementation if possible. Lastly, emerging research suggests that probiotics may have a beneficial effect for both mama and baby, including reducing the incidence of postpartum depression and colic in infants. Some strands of lactobacillus have also been shown to reduce the incidence of mastitis in breastfeeding moms. Again, there doesn't seem to be a downside to taking a probiotic, though the research really isn't as conclusive on the benefits either. Therefore, we think it's a personal choice of whether or not you want to add in a probiotic during pregnancy. If you're looking for more nutrition guidance for a plant-based pregnancy, make sure to check out our pregnancy guide. It covers every single thing that you need to know to optimize your prenatal diet. We address key nutrients, how to manage those pesky pregnancy symptoms of diet, genetic factors that may affect your individual needs, exercise ideas, and so much more. We also hook you up with over 50 delicious, no-fuss recipes made just for mama in mind. Plus, when you purchase the guide, you also get access to our private Facebook group and a bonus guide on bottle feeding and breastfeeding nutrition. You can find more on our website at plantbasedjuniors.com. Thanks for watching.